And here it is, the last day. We got back to Civitavecchia. It's all over. It's 6:26 right now. We're leaving the ship at 7:15. So in 45 minutes we're leaving the ship. We're gonna go have a quick breakfast before we leave. We are going to take the train from Civitavecchia to Pisa to go on a new vacation. We're staying in Italy for 4 extra nights. We're gonna miss this ship. It was so much fun. Now we're locking it. Not as usual, open it. We're locking and we're done. Got everything packed and ready. It's all empty. The safe is empty. We're gonna go and have some breakfast first at the ship. Gonna be our last breakfast at the Windjammer. Such great food. Everybody's exiting the cruise ship right now. People taking their luggage and leaving on deck 5. But we are heading to deck 14 now for breakfast, and then we will head back down to deck 5 for exiting the ship. Last breakfast at the Windjammer. Our breakfast view for the last day before we head out of the ship. Look at this, fantastic. So we're ready to take the bags out and leaving the ship. Quick note here, if you are going to leave the package in the front of the door, you have to put these labels on them so they will pick it up and take it up front for you. You don't have to take them, otherwise we're not. That's also for the airport transfer stuff, right? We're not using these, so we're throwing this in the garbage. We're taking our bags ourselves and we're leaving with our luggage. Just like that, pull them out and leave the door. Sweet. All right. Bye, beautiful Rome. We'll see you next time. Bye, balcony.
We'll make the first one.
And we got here to the elevator. We're going down from deck 7. We are going to deck 5. And here we are at deck 5. All right, that's the exit line. We're leaving that beautiful ship. I'm gonna miss it so much. It was a great time, great experience. And we just scanned our sea pass off and we are heading out of the ship just like that. That is a beautiful ship. Some people are still hanging out in their balconies because the disembarkation time is different. Some groups, there's a group from group 1 till group 60. So group 1 leaves early at 6:45, and then there is 7:15. We're supposed to be 7:15, but we left a little earlier because if you disembark on your own and you have your own luggage, you can leave as early as possible. You can leave at 6:45. You don't have to follow your group. But if they take care of your luggages, then you have to leave on that time, and they will announce the group time one at a time. You know, they go through, okay, now group 2, now group 3, all the way till group 60, because they either take you to the airport or other things. Thank you so much, Royal Caribbean, for having us and for having a great vacation. All the food, the drinks, the activities, the shows, the Royal Theater, the 270, you name it. The room service, the cleaning was awesome. Thank you. Yep, that's the exit. There we go. This direction. Bye. Look at all the packages, depends on the numbers, and then when they come they pick up, depends on the number. Like I said, I showed you my number was 12, so if 12 I would have to go over there at the beginning. See, like here 15, and then there's a 12 section right here, so my packages would come right here and I will pick it up from here if I don't want to deal with pulling this around. But I'm not doing this. There's a lot of people do that. Obviously there's a lot of elderly and disability and all the other people that need help with their luggage. So first we took the bus out of the port, and the bus dropped us outside the gate of the port. So you see the ship from over there, The bus will only take you about 5-10 minutes out of the gate, because inside the gate there is not actually a whole lot of buses and everything else. They got to take you outside the gate of the port. Once you're outside the gate, then you can hop on one of these buses, and this bus is going to take you to the train station. And from over there, you can take the train to wherever you're heading. You're heading to Roma, you're heading to Pisa, you're heading to wherever the destination. We are heading to Pisa, so we're taking this bus, and then it's going to be only 5 minutes. And then we get on the train and we head to Pisa. See, it says Porto Stazione. Yep, that's the exact same bus we're on. Port Link. Cittadella Port Link from the Porto to the station. That's the Porto. Porto. We're turning. Honk, honk. If you want to take a taxi to the airport, these black Mercedes, these are the taxis that takes to the airport. In case if you're leaving out of the port and you're heading to the airport right away, these will take you to the airport directly. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment below and I'll try to answer them as I can.
You're the idiot that's trying to plug your way into this.
I don't know how they drive over here.
Oh, I know, they're all nuts. we had a taxi driver that drove around all the standing cars behind a toll booth, and then tried to butt in at the front end. And nobody let him in. So I think we gained like 2 spots. Then he was cutting people off everywhere. Oh my God, it was
ridiculous.
God, it was nuts.
That's everybody over here though.
Oh yeah, exactly. I guess you got to drive that way to survive.
Yeah, otherwise, exactly. If you drive nice, they'll eat you.
They'll eat you alive.
Yep. Here it is. That's the station of Civitavecchia. That's the bus that just dropped us. We just got off the bus and we are heading to the station here. Everybody's heading that way. Let's go and get some tickets. Here in Civitavecchia, they have the best croissants and they make the best coffee right here. Oh God, it smells so good. And I have got this coffee. It's called Cafe Venice. Let's taste it. Oh, so good. Try this croissant. They have tons of other options. Enjoy my coffee.